Mama, so we went over some of the main benefits your baby will get from you choosing to breastfeed. Now, what about you? Here are some of the benefits to consider before embarking on your breastfeeding journey. Now, one of the benefits is actually burning calories. Breastfeeding makes for an easier return to pre-pregnancy weight. In addition, you have a reduced chance of postpartum hemorrhaging, as well as a decreased chance of premenopausal breast, ovarian, as well as uterine cancer. Now, there's also a lower risk of hip fractures as well as osteoporosis later in life. Now, in addition, you can anticipate increased bonding with your baby. And in fact, when you breastfeed, the hormones released during breastfeeding are generally thought to relax as well as reduce mother's stress levels, like naturally. So we will be taking literally a deeper dive into the positives as well as negatives of bottle feeding as well as breastfeeding. So hope you found this just like a little bit informative, and hope this helps in your journey. Thank you so much.